Special tool, dial gauge support. This tool is used along with dial gauge to align the cylinder block, cylinder head and camshaft housing during assembly of diesel engine. To align these components, this tool ensures that the level difference between them is within specified range. Using dial gauge support. Installation of cylinder head assembly. Place the cylinder head gasket and cylinder head on the cylinder block by referring to the service manual. With the help of a straight edge, check the alignment of cylinder head with the cylinder block as shown. If needed, align the cylinder head by tapping it lightly with a mallet. Install a dial gauge to the special tool in such a way that its spindle rests on the cylinder block with a small deflection of the bigger hand of gauge. Rotate the dial and set its value to 0. As shown, move the special tool in such a way that the spindle of dial gauge rests on the cylinder head. Read the notch value, that is, the level difference between the cylinder head and the cylinder block as shown. Adjust the level difference to 0 by tapping the cylinder head lightly. Install and tighten the cylinder head bolts to specified torque by referring to the service manual. Inspect the level difference again and confirm that it is within the specified range given in the service manual. Installation of camshaft housing assembly. Place the camshaft housing gasket and camshaft housing assembly on the cylinder head by referring to the service manual. With the help of a straight edge, check and adjust the alignment of camshaft housing assembly with cylinder head as shown. With the help of special tool, inspect and adjust bump value, that is, the level difference between the camshaft housing assembly and cylinder head to 0 as shown. Install and tighten the camshaft housing bolts to specified torque by referring to the service manual. Inspect the level difference again and confirm that it is within the specified range given in the service manual. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to properly align the cylinder block, cylinder head and camshaft housing during assembly of diesel engine. This prevents damage to engine components due to misalignment and ensures trouble-free engine operation.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.